In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Kanban workflow in Odoo Project. To get started, open the Project app from your Odoo dashboard. Once you're inside, choose the project where you want to build your Kanban workflow. This is important because each project can have its own task stages, so you'll want to make sure you're working in the correct one before setting anything up. After opening the project, go into the project's tasks section. This is where you'll organize all the work visually. Before creating anything, make sure you are using the Kanban view. The Kanban layout displays tasks as cards inside columns, which makes it easy to track progress at a glance and move work from one stage to another as your team works through it. Now, click Add Column to create a new task stage. When prompted, enter a stage name. Common examples include To Do, In Progress, Review, and Done. These stage names help to find the path your tasks will follow from start to finish. Keep your stage names simple and clear so everyone on the team can understand them quickly. Continue repeating this process until you've created all the stages required for your workflow. The exact number of columns depends on how detailed you want your process to be, but it's usually best to keep it practical and easy to manage. Once your columns are ready, you can begin creating tasks. Under the stage where you want the task to begin, click New. Enter the task title, then assign it to the appropriate team member. Giving tasks a clear title and assigning ownership right away helps avoid confusion later. If needed, add more information such as the deadline, tags, and a task description. These details provide helpful context and make it easier for your team to prioritize work and understand what needs to be done. When everything looks good, save the task. As work progresses, you can drag and drop task cards from one Kanban column to another. This is one of the biggest advantages of using a Kanban workflow in Odoo, because it gives you a simple, visual way to track movement and status in real time. If you want to adjust the structure of your workflow, you can also reorder the columns by dragging them into the sequence that makes the most sense for your process. This gives you flexibility to refine the workflow as your project evolves. And that's how to set up a Kanban workflow in Odoo Project. Thanks for watching.